Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. So number five on my top 5 carry items is a power bank. Okay, number 5, got to be a power bank. And this is an ONN brand. I don't know if y'all heard of that, from Wal-Mart. They make TVs. Hell, they make everything. Made in China. This is a 500 milliamp, just a little thin guy. You can toss it in wherever. It's thinner than your phone. Right? I think the power button's right there. It's fully charged. It's got your type A, and then it's old school, so it's got a micro. But yeah, 500 milliamps, 5.4 volts, weighs nothing. Smaller than your phone. But yeah, it's number 5 on my list, in my opinion. So yeah, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? I don't know. We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC, over and out.